Hello and welcome to all my Mobile DocForm users. Today we'll be going over account overview, payment detail, billing, and how to change your password. So let's get to it. Very first thing we're going to do is log in here. Once you're logged in, top right, click on the image, your profile image, and go to account settings. In account settings, you can change multiple different things. So let's hit edit. So in the account settings, you can change your first name, your last name, your email address, and the account type. For the account type, everything is automatically calculated for you. So whether you're a free user or you're a professional plan, everything, billing, everything is calculated for you. So if I click small business plan and I hit update, it will recalculate everything in terms of the billing and charge you correctly. If I do free, it won't charge you anything, but then there's certain things you won't have access to with the free plan that you have access to with the small business plan or the professional plan. So I'm not going to update anything. I'm going to hit cancel here. On the account overview screen, you can see the current plan that you have. You can see the price per user. You can see the maximum number of users, the maximum number of forms. You can also see the maximum number of submissions per form allowed. You can see the current number of users here, and then you can see the monthly price. Once you're done there, you also have the ability to change your password. So just go to the top right, click the image again, click change password. And to change the password is very straightforward, very simple. You enter your old password, you enter the new password, and you retype the new password. Once everything matches up correctly, you hit change, and that should update your password. It's that simple. Next, we're going to skip company profile for right now. We're going to go to payment details. Payment details basically tells you what you're currently paying for. And basically this is where you go to set up a credit card. So here I currently have, as you can see, I have the professional plan for $199. I have a maximum of 4 users, and it automatically calculates the monthly cost for me. And this cost is basically the price per user times the number of users you have. Every time you create a new system, a new person, and the user, every time you add a new user, the price will automatically be calculated for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. And it's prorated, so everything is calculated for you. In terms of your payment detail, if you hit update payment detail, you can add a new credit card as you wish. It tells you the current, as you can see it here. Let me close this. It tells you the current credit card you are currently using, and it only gives you the last 4 digits. And then the great thing about Mobile DocForm is none of your credit card information is actually stored on Mobile DocForm. Mobile DocForm uses a third party to manage all the credit cards. So that's a great thing. So Mobile DocForm will never lose your credit card information because it doesn't have your credit card information, which is great. So if you hit update payment detail, you enter your credit card, you enter the month, the year, and you also enter the CVC number, and that's it. Before you enter anything, it'll let you know what the monthly cost will be. Again, just to let you know, and then you click the button, and it will update your information. Again, this is the third place where it tells you your monthly cost, so you will always know what your monthly cost is. You can always reduce the cost by either choosing another plan or less, not having as many users with less in your plan, or if you want to increase it, you can increase it as you go. So as your company grows, you can increase it. As you need to save more money, you can decrease it. So last, we'll talk about billing. Now, billing is great because it tells you every time you're charged, okay, you can see. So it shows here, these are test invoices. So I have 2 invoices, and both invoices came into $4.95, and it shows that it was paid. It also gives you a it gives you a description of which business plan was charged under that invoice. Gives you the date the invoice was charged, or the invoice was created, excuse me, and it gives you an invoice ID as a reference. So if I click View Detail, what'll come up is the actual invoice detail. So again, it'll tell you the invoice number, the date it was issued, the date it was paid, how much the total amount. So 5 represents here 5 users at the time. It gives you the subtotal, and then it gives you the overall total. And that's basically it for billing history and invoices. So through account overview, again, through your account, you could view your account settings, you could change your password, you could do company profile, which would be covered in a separate video. You can do payment details, and you could do your billing. You could look at your billing. And that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for using Mobile DocForm.